Yeah, yo. My version of the facts, like a virgin in the bag. I'm about to give it to you like you never had. Take a step back, that's the price that you pay when you cross my path. But you on that road with no aftermath, but it's after the fact that you hate us in a whack. See this life that I live, I choose, try to take my shine, you lose. My spit shit is so sick, flip bricks, forget it. I'm in it to win it, so when I finish, realize my flow is endless. I'm a menace because of the shit that I spit, be the shit that I spoke, and the shit that I smoke, be that shit what you call primo. Get away to the flow against the law, so I guess you can say that I'm robbing. Y'all take it back to the facts, I'm bad like that, so never forget when you haters intentionally cross my path, my path, my path. Bitch, if you wanna see, then drive on speed and pick up the poles of my beats. If you wanna see, then drive on speed and pick up the poles of my beats.
To Lil Weezy, keep doing what you doing. Shit, I ain't even black, but black power to ya. See, I have similar dreams for a future. Yes, I have similar dreams. Like up in Martin Luther, pull up my paper pen when the pressure's too much. Cut me and I'll bleed, they can paint you a picture. Through my veins, through the pen, down to the paper. On the track, I am the creator. I've got much love for my haters, and I gotta thank ya for doing me this favor. But homie, I don't hate ya. Haters ain't one of my favorite flavors. But if I must, then homie, I might have to see you later. Listen to prayer for what I'm gonna have to lay ya. To try to save your soul, cause I know where mine to go. Was waiting for the moment. Somebody but they gone. Somebody gonna know. But I guess the population got a balance on its own. If you don't give a fuck like we don't give a fuck, then it's fuck
till we fall.
Now if you don't give a fuck like we don't give a fuck, then it's fuck, then we all gone.
If you wanna see, then drive on speed, just pick up the poles of my beats. If you wanna see, then drive on speed, just pick up the poles of my beats.
Why does the kin make you pop out of your skin? Why does the bitch get weak in the knees when we holler? City walk in, is it cause we so cold like ice? I see you getting false spitting as I'm spitting my life. From here to Decatur, city walk in, so what I'm with chasers. We chick this fun to get that money, more money makers, they packing. Standing my ground, standing I'm making the roll of the pound. Let it be running this for show, but it be on top before we have for the count. And we telling them how. Motherfucker, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Drive on speed, just pick up the poles of my beats. Now if you wanna see, then drive on speed, just pick up the poles of my beats. Now if you wanna see,